Good morning. It's Friday. I hope everyone's had a great week. It's been a busy one. Running around, we were at the TWR performance launch of the Supercat last night. That thing sounds absolutely berserk. Mad thing. So a great evening. And today is the official launch date of IGL Coatings Arcane. So IGL Arcane is a brand new 4-year single layer graphene coating featuring new technology that's not available in any other coatings in IGL or in the UK, period. There's nothing else that has this technology. Phenomenal gloss, great resistance, and we're going to be doing a launch offer that you'll see this afternoon, where basically we're going to offer it from now until the end of December, or until we can get stock, essentially, for the same price as our entry level 2-year coating. So if you're thinking of having a coating done, now's the time to do it. If you want to get booked in for a coating, drop us an email, drop us a WhatsApp, and we can send over some pricing so you've got an idea of what it costs. So the other news that you may have seen is based around dry ice. We've offered dry ice now for about 18 months. There's been a few things that have happened in the last 6 to 9 months that have sort of made it more difficult, if you like, to offer dry ice. But we're now going to team up with Ice Cold Tools to have a machine here permanently that will allow us to do all the sort of, any job essentially, whether it be big or small, from engineering gearboxes to calipers to full underbodies of cars. So it's fantastic news. But also, we'll be doing demos. So whether you're a car club or you run a business that you think dry ice might be something you'd like to add, we're going to be holding demo days and open days where you can come down, have a look, and potentially have a go. Maybe we need to just look at insurance and all that sort of stuff. But certainly come down and talk to us, have a look at how it works, what it does, etc. So we will have their Turbo Pro, which is one of their sort of top machines here for the foreseeable future, and hope to do some demos with car clubs, individuals, businesses, etc. that want to have a go, see what it's like, see what it does. It's a great cleaning tool. So whilst on the subject of training, we are finalising some training days for IGL products. So that's consumer-based products that you can use at home. We're going to run some training days to talk you through how to use them properly, how to get the most from them. And also we're going to touch on machine polishing and hand polishing and their consumer coatings. There's coatings that they do which are incredibly user-friendly that you can do at home. So from paint coatings to trim coatings to wheel coatings and so on. Really good coatings. It's worth having a look at when we release the details. We're going to try and make it as cost effective for people as possible. So that will be in the next few weeks.